What's going on, peoples? Welcome back to our Urban Media Master tutorial, and today we're going to talk about layering drums and snares. It's going to be a quick one, just showing you real quick how you can accomplish this um, with Maschine. Okay, so let's get to it. We're going to go browse, sample, first. Okay, browse, sample. We're going to go kicks. Okay, so let's find a kick. All right, we're going to rock with that one. Okay. Um, let's go to the next one. We're gonna go with that one. Okay. Then we're gonna go with that. All right. So then from here, this is the original. All right. Now we're gonna go pad mode. We're gonna put this on master one group one. We're gonna put that on slave group one, and then we're gonna put the third one on slave group one. All right. I need to turn the overall volume down because it's clipping. Let's turn it down a little bit more. All right, that's what we got. So before I do anything, I want to go to browse, and then I want to go to page 4 of 6 and pan this one to pan that one to the right. I want to pan that to the left. And then I want this one. I want to go to page 2, and I want to tune that down to like 3. Alright, so that's what we get with that. Alright, let's move on to the snares. Alright, sample snares. Alright, let's see. Let's take that. Alright. We'll take that, and then let's find a clap. Let's go clap. I like that. Let's put that there. Original. Alright, so let's go browse, pad mode, should I say. We're going to have this at master 2, group 2, master group 2. We don't want to have it at group 1 because it'll play with the kick. Then we have this slave 2. Then we have this slave group 2. Alright, but I want to pan this. Go back to the browse menu, page 4. I want to pan that to the right. Pan that to the left. This right here, I gotta slow that down. So on page 2, tune that down a little bit. All right, that's it. That's basically how you do that. I mean, it's pretty simple. Let's see what it sounds like in a loop. All right, we already got. Alright, that's basically it, man. We'll slow it down a little bit. You want to add some hi-hats to it or something, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so basically, this is what we had for the original. That's what we got. Okay, so for this one, this is the original. That's what you got. All right, yo, put in the work, man. Let's get it. See you on the next tutorial.